Welcome to Dovecote. This impressive room is probably one of the nicest rooms I've been in for many a year. It's got a fantastic A-frame set on these beautiful granite corbels, central staircase, oak flooring, and a fantastic feature wood burner providing warmth. This stunning vaulted ceiling in the kitchen provides a lovely feeling of space and light. Central sociable breakfast bar with a fantastic range of matching quality units. The bedrooms are set on the ground floor of this stunning barn. There's a bedroom for study. And there is access from the bedroom to the front courtyard, which does enjoy afternoon sun, and a quality family bathroom. There's motion sensor lighting on the ground floor. The master has a built-in wardrobe as well. This barn originally built in 1885. It's got all the modern comforts you'd expect of a 2025 home. The bonus is it's in a lovely rural situation. It's got well-maintained gardens to front and rear, double garage and ample off-road parking. A beautiful family home with every creature comfort. The barn here behind me has also got planning permission to turn into a studio. One of the best-selling features of this property is the accessibility. It's a very central location, just 2 miles from the popular village of Lifton, with its shop, doctor's surgery and primary school, and about 3 miles from Launceston. Thank you for watching the video. Really do hope you've enjoyed it. This beautiful barn set behind me, really stunning home. Please give us a call if you'd like to view on 01566 776211. Thank you.